Once upon a time, in a land where magic still danced on the breeze and every flower held a secret, there lived a kind-hearted Barbie named Lily. Lily lived in a cozy cottage nestled at the edge of an enchanted garden, where the flowers bloomed in every color imaginable, and the butterflies whispered tales of wonder. One sunny morning, as Lily was tending to her garden, she noticed something peculiar. One of the most beautiful flowers, the rainbow rose, looked sad. Its petals drooped, and its colors seemed to fade. Concerned, Lily knelt down beside the rainbow rose and gently asked, "What troubles you, dear friend?" The rainbow rose sighed softly and replied, "I have lost my sparkle, my joy. I no longer feel the magic that once flowed through me." Lily's heart filled with compassion as she listened to the rainbow rose's tale. Long ago, a mischievous gnome had cast a spell on the garden, draining it of its magic. Without magic, the rainbow rose felt as though its purpose had been lost. Determined to help her friend, Lily embarked on a quest to restore the garden's magic. She journeyed through fields of shimmering dewdrops and forests filled with ancient wisdom, seeking the key to breaking the gnome's spell. Along the way, she met many creatures, each with their own gifts to share. A wise owl taught her the importance of patience, while a playful squirrel showed her the joy of laughter. With each encounter, Lily's resolve grew stronger, fueled by the hope of bringing magic back to the garden. Finally, after many trials and challenges, Lily discovered the source of the garden's magic, a hidden spring at the heart of the forest. With a heart full of hope, she raced back to the garden, knowing that the key to restoring the rainbow rose's sparkle lay within her reach. With a flick of her wand and a sprinkle of fairy dust, Lily unleashed the magic of the spring, watching in awe as the garden blossomed with vibrant colors and shimmering light. The rainbow rose, bathed in the renewed magic, burst into full bloom, its petals glistening with every hue of the rainbow. Overjoyed, the rainbow rose thanked Lily for her kindness and bravery. "You have brought back the magic to our garden," it exclaimed. "But more importantly, you have shown us the power of love and friendship." And so, with the garden once again aglow with magic, Lily and her friends danced among the flowers, their laughter echoing through the enchanted land. For in their hearts, they knew that as long as they stood together, there was no challenge they could not overcome. And from that day forth, the tale of Lily and the enchanted garden was passed down through the generations, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, love and friendship will always light the way.